Hello and welcome to Celoxis. In today's video, we'll guide you through the process of importing timesheets in Celoxis. Celoxis allows you to import time across multiple projects simultaneously from the admin level. Let's get started. Navigate to the profile icon, select Admin, and in the Timesheet section, click on Import Timesheets, CSV. We provide a sample CSV file for your reference. You can click here and download it. Now let's import the same sample file that we just downloaded. Select your CSV file and map the fields. Below you will see the option number of rows to skip, which allows you to skip the rows you don't want to import through the CSV. Once done, click on Finish. Now you have successfully imported time on multiple projects. Additionally, Celoxis also allows time import for specific projects only. For example, if you're a project manager, you can import timesheets on your project. Navigate to the project overview, click on the three dots, select Import Time CSV, and follow the same steps mentioned earlier in the video. Key considerations when importing time via CSV. When importing time entries, make sure to include all mandatory fields required by Celoxis, such as task name, hours, time code, state, and users. Celoxis supports the standard ISO date format as shown for time imports. Refer to the knowledge base for more information. Thanks for watching.